good, guys? I'm back again with another video, and it's your girl Lolly the G, and show you guys how to do half up, half down on long, thick, natural hair, perm hair, short hair, whatever. I don't care. I'm just saying what kind of hair I have, but you can do this on any kind of hair you got. So if you got perm hair, relaxed hair, straight hair, short hair, curly hair, you can do this. It's really easy, but you know what I'm saying? Anyway, and then I know y'all see these swoopity swoop, wavy, on fleek edges, shiny edges, and you know, I know you see it. Do y'all want to know how I got my edges on fleek like this? If you can guess the product that I use, comment down below and guess what product I use. For the product, drum roll please. Style Factor Edge Booster. So we're just about to jump right on into this. I'm going to start brushing my hair out and preparing it for, the ponytail. And I'm going to start brushing my hair back, getting it right. And then I'm going to grab a comb, a rat tail comb, and start parting on the sides of where I want my ponytail to be. I'm just going to part the best way I can because I suck at parting and I don't really care. So, yeah. Just filling, the parts and making sure everything is kind of lined up and making sure the hair is in the ponytail, the hair, y'all see what I'm trying to do. I probably don't make sense, but just watch. Now I'm putting the back of the hair up to get it out the way while I put my hair in a ponytail, because sometimes, like, if you have the back out, you'll end up brushing the back of the hair into your ponytail and then you're losing your part and it looks crazy. So do that just to get the hair out of the way, and then you're gonna start forming your ponytail. Now you can put your ponytail however high up on your head you want it to be. Usually I put mine a little bit more to the front, but that day I don't know. It still looks cute though, but yeah, sometimes it's more to the front where like the ponytail is like kind of hanging in my face. But yeah, you can do it however you want to do. Now I'm going in with the Style Factor Edge Booster. I love this edge control. It is the best, and you know it. And I'm gonna talk about this edge booster after the tutorial and tell you guys my thoughts and my opinions on it, what I like, what I don't like about it. If I really don't even like, it's nothing that I don't like about it, but just watch. And I'm not the best edge person, like I'm not an edge master. So this is how I do my little edges, and yeah. You're going to see me using my toothbrush or using an edge brush or a comb. I'm just trying to get these edges right, y'all. So I might look like I'm doing too much, but it is what it is. You feel me? I use a Style Factor Edge Booster, and this is a water-based pomade. Now, I thank them because water-based, like I use gel for my edges because edge control is way too thick, way too greasy, way too stiff on my hair, my edges, and I can't mold them like the way I want to mold them. It's very hard for me, so I always have to go over my edges with the gel or this because it makes it easier for me to mold my edges and work with my edges. Like sometimes I literally can't move my edges because they're so stiff and stuck to my head because the edge control is so hard. Now, this bad boy right here is the truth. Now, it is infused with argan oil. It says it's moisturizing, and it says it gives a high shine, and it says it's a strong hold. And now, those 4 things, they ain't lying. They are not lying. Like, my edges I've been using this since I got it, for like a month and some change now. No, dang, like 2 months and some change now. I've been using this, and it gives my hair a high shine, as you can see. That argan oil, so they probably got that in there for real because my edges be on shiny mode. It gives me a strong hold. My edges last all day, like literally, even if they don't look, as uniform as this, but they're still, neat and nice, and they look good. It's moisturizing. My hair does not feel crunchy, really hard, or anything after, that it's on my edges, or even while I'm putting it on my edges. Let me show you guys. Well, the edge control is clear. It's not pink. This is just the packaging. This is the jar that's inside this clear jar, and it looks like this. Now, I told you it was a water base, correct? Now you can see why it's water based, or how it's water based, because they ain't lying. Look, I can move this around in my fingers. If I had an edge control, my fingers be like this, not moving because it's so stiff and thick. Like, this is what I like. I can use this. I love this stuff. It smells good because it is a lemon berry scent, and it smells good. All of them have different types of scents. So mind you, I used this edge control earlier today because I had a ponytail in and I had did my edges, and I filmed this video later today. I did my hair around like 1 something, and then I'm just now doing my hair again, and it's like 7, maybe 6. My edges, so I really put edge control on top of edge control. It didn't have no effect. It was easy to do my edges. It was a little bit challenging. I had to use this brush because it's a little bit harder, but it was not hard. Sometimes you can't even put edge control on top of edge control because it's so stiff and hard. You have to put some water on it or wash it out. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do all that. Like, it was really simple. I would not sleep on this product because, like I said, I ain't lying. I am not lying. I love this stuff so much. Like, I'm so glad they gave Impressions of Beauty gave me this because to try out, because it is everything, like literally. Thank you guys for watching. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hold on, tell your mama them, tell your daddy them, tell your cousin or your uncle them, all them, tell them to come to my channel, view my videos, subscribe, like, thumbs it up if they like the video, and do all of that. So, and you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that too. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. See ya.